Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you don't have permission to add product in the current region on TikTok Shop. If you are using TikTok Shop and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add product to your TikTok Shop account, but you're facing the issue that you don't have permission to add product in your current region. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So there's a simple way. You just have to remove VPN if you're using, or if you are having issue without VPN, so you have to add VPN. So let's see how can you do that. You have to go for settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, try to disconnect with that, and after that you have to retry to use your TikTok Shop app, or you have to retry to add a product to your TikTok Shop app. Or if you're still facing the same issue that you cannot upload or add a product in your TikTok Shop app in the current region, so you have to use a valid VPN. So open your app store, and here you have to simply search for VPN, and from here you have to install any trusted VPN which you want. And once you have installed, you just have to go back, connect with the VPN, and then retry, so it will fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.